So, hey guys, it's me, and today we're going to be opening these bad boys. Yeah, and it's a Mewtwo like thing. It's 3 booster packs and 1 of 2 special pins, and that's Mega Mewtwo Y, I think. I'm not going Mega Evolution stuff. And we've got 3 packets of Pokemon cards to open. And there are Pokemon X and Y Breakthrough, which is probably my favourite type. As you know, well, you probably won't know, but I've got a Zoroark pin badge already, and now I've got a new badge. Anyway, let's get this thing opened. Why do they make Pokemon cards so hard to get into? Why do it? Okay, I'm in. Right. Got it open, guys. Ah! Right. So, looks like, let me just get my pin out. There we go. There it is. It's showing it. Looks cool. And then, right. And then the first pack we are going to be opening is this one. By the way, I'm going to read the back of it, see what, okay. Manking goes, alright, break Mega Mewtwo X and Mega Mewtwo Y. So, let's see what we shall get. So, get is open. So, to start this off, we have a Cacnea, Scatterbug, Rufflet, Snova, Swablu, Chespin. By the way, I love the artwork on these cards. Quite awesome. Napoleon, Parallel City, Gramble, and Haunter. Hang on, let me just check something. Yep. Right. So that's my first pack of cards. Open. So, they're all a bit messed up. I'll just quickly put them in a pile. I don't use the code cards. I just don't really find them that interesting. Right. This one, another breakthrough pack. So let's find out if this has any good Pokemon cards to offer. Open. Okay, it's open. Zoro I got a Zoro, a Vanillite, Flabébé, another Zoro, a different art Zoro, Fennekin, Meowth, Noivern, Fracture, Special Fire Energy, and Swoobat. I'll put this in the pile. I really want some EXs because I only have about 5 or 4, which are Houndoom EX, Groudon EX, Kyogre EX, Rayquaza EX, and that's it. Right, last pack. I really want a Zoroark break though. That's what I want. Or Mega Mewtwo. Right. To start my last packet off is a Magnemite, a Fennekin, a Pancham, playful Pancham, Meowth, Sandshrew, a Pikachu. Look at that Pikachu art. It's just like quite cool. Raichu, reserve ticket, Dene, and a Starmie. So that's the Pokemon card opening. I hope you liked it. And let me just go. I've already got about 1,000 swabbles, but not in the shop. So there we go. Where's my badge? Yeah. Does this suit me? Ta-da! Not sure. Right. So then, guys, I'm just gonna show you a packet my mum bought me yesterday. There's only one packet now, so not like a Mewtwo thing. And I'm going to show you. I got a nice Rizian. So, not yet, so, but we'll get there eventually. It's a Rizian, legendary Pokemon. Nice. And that's what I wanted to show you. And so, bye guys.